Welcome to Point of View. This is the Focus RS, and here are 5 things you want to know about this car. Well, yes and no. Bad bits here and there, but generally I think the interior is great. The things you touch and use feel like quality. It's definitely not an issue for me, since the car is very good otherwise. Well, it's pretty damn great. I mean, the power is really decent. 257 kilowatts, it's more than enough for most people. The 4-wheel drive helps it put down so easily, and it feels like it's a more rear biased car. Exiting corners, this car feels almost like a rear wheel drive car, and that's due to the differential and the trickery that's going on down there. And I think the most astonishing thing about this car is how the steering feel is. The steering rack is very fast, and I can't really put it to words, but it makes such a difference when driving quickly, and even around town this car feels more nimble. Although the turning circle is completely crap, the steering feel and the way this car just sits on the road, it's amazing. Basically, there are quite a lot of optional extras which you could choose when buying this car new. You can't do that anymore, so get a well-equipped example. This car has the bucket Recaro seats, and I think it's not an option I would pick. I would get the regular seats because of the heated seat option. In these bucket seats, heated seats are not even available. You can get heated steering wheel, keyless entry and drive, no adaptive cruise control unfortunately. But I think the one thing to look out for is get a car that has a white screen. This means it has sync 3. This car has a black screen and it has sync 2. The differences might be minute to you, but let me assure you, day-to-day usage, the sync 3 is so much better. And I think the most important thing is that Sync 3 has Apple CarPlay. This thing does not. You don't really care about that, do you? And a quick answer is nope. These cars have a known head gasket problem, and actually I think most of them have been fixed already, so it's not an issue, but definitely check if it has been done. Other than that, the engine and drivetrain are fairly decent. Anything that, was prone to fail was most likely done in warranty. You might want to look out after, anything wrong with the clutches, but it's not a very expensive job, around €1,000, everything covered, even labor. This car has done 72,000 kilometers inside and outside. Apart from some scratches, it feels tight as a drum, no problem whatsoever. I could talk about this topic about an hour or more. There are so many details that you just have to drive these cars, but to put it in a short answer, if you want a car that makes you happy and accelerates you every time you drive, there are 2 options. If you live in a warmer country, get the Civic Type R. It's just that much tighter, and it's somehow more, although I don't like the engine note at all, the gearbox and the driving feel is better. If you live in a country where you could get some occasional snow, the Focus RS is for you, no question about that. And if you feel like your mental age is more than 9, the Golf R, Cupra 4-Drive, there are so many VAC group alternatives. Just choose one, you won't make a wrong decision. Thank you for watching. These were the 5 things you want to know about the Focus RS. See you soon, guys. Bye.